Hello, hello. All righty. We're going to talk about how to quickly increase your Facebook likes for free. Now, you can get Facebook page likes. Your page is your business account. So, anytime I say page, anytime you read about or hear about your Facebook page, people are referring to your business account. Your profile is your personal account. Profile equals personal, PP, and well, page is also P. Anyway, your page is your business. Just remember that. Okay. So, your Facebook page, you know that you can get likes on your page. And the more likes, the better, because the more people who like your page will be the more people who have a possibility to see the different posts that you put in your feed. Now, regardless of what the current algorithm is for the day, that remains consistent. The more people who like your page equals more people have a possibility of seeing what you post on your page. It doesn't mean they're going to look, but it means they have a possibility. It'll come through their feed. Okay, so you want to get as many likes as you can of the right kinds of likes. You can buy Facebook likes. You don't want to do that. But you want to get the right people liking your page. So people who will like, who will comment, who will share, who will save, people who are going to be interested in who you are and what you're about. And the easiest way to start with that is your friends. Now, I understand if you do not want to ask your friends or your family to like your Facebook page. I fully understand that. I do. However, they're the easiest likes to get. And if people want to support you, they can like your page. And if they think that that means that they're going to be inundated, that their Facebook feed is now going to only be your stuff, that absolutely is not true because of the algorithm. So I'm going to show you how you can easily ask anybody who is a Facebook friend. They have to be a Facebook friend first. Facebook friends first. Anybody who is a Facebook friend, I'm going to show you how Facebook has already given us the easy for free possibility of asking them to like our page. So we could individually go to every person's profile that we can remember we're Facebook friends with, and we could individually send them a Facebook Messenger. We can individually email them, or we can individually knock on their door with a mask on and during COVID and ask them to please like our page. Or we can do what Facebook has given us as a absolute instant way to do exactly that. So that's what I'm going to show you. All righty. So here we are on my Facebook page. So this is my business account. And when you go to your account and you scroll down, so you start out on home. Let's go back to home. Okay. Now we're going a little bit slow. All right. So we're on the home page, and now we're going to scroll down, see all these different choices. We're going to scroll down to community. Okay. So I'm going to click on community. So you start on, your Facebook page and you scroll down to community. And when you get to community, the very first thing you should notice is over here on the right. You should notice how many total likes you have and how many total followers. And that number does not have to be the same. I will explain. I can follow you without having liked your page. And you can follow me without having liked my page. That's how it works. So you can ask people to like your page, and they don't have to like it, but they could still follow what you've got going on. And or they could like it. If they like it, then they're automatically following you, but they could follow you without liking. Okay, so that's why my numbers are a little bit different. I have more followers than I do likes, and that happens. All right, no big deal though. So you've got total likes and total follows. Then I want you to scroll down a little bit more, and right here's a box, and see what it says? It says invite your friends to like Bonnie L. Frank. Now, you can invite your friends to like Bonnie L. Frank. I would love you to have all of your friends like my Bonnie Frank Success Coach page. That'd be great. But what I really want you to do is to ask them to like your page. And so on your page, you're going to see invite your friends to like, and you're going to see your name there. And then you want to click, see, then they recommend 3 people, and you can go invite, 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 and then see all friends. I'm going to click on see all friends. And now up will pop all of my Facebook friends. And look, this is how many Facebook friends I've already invited. I've already invited over 2,600 people to like my page. You see, not everybody likes the page when they're invited to. And let's face it, not everybody lives on Facebook like I do. So some of them never even see the notifications. But I haven't liked 268. So I still have 268 more people that I can invite to like my page. So see there, if I go across from these different people, I see that they've already liked my page. So what I could do is I could go down like this, see, and I could wait until, I get to these bubbles where they haven't liked it yet, and I could do that 268 times. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to click on I'm going to click on not invited. Oh, wait, sorry. Click on, no, that's what I want. Click on not invited. Sorry. Right? Yeah. Click on not invited and then click on select all. That's what I want to do. Sorry. Click on not invited and click on select all. Now, it is sending invites to 151 people. And it can only send so many invites at once. So it's sending that amount. And see here, you can also send each invite in Messenger. I clicked for that, okay? I clicked that before because it's kind of just like a double check. And so it's going to send them a notification, on the bell up at the top. It's going to give them a notification up at the top with that bell, and then it's also going to send them a message inside of Messenger. And so I had clicked that before. Hopefully it's still ignited. And now I click sending, and voila, that's it. That's it. That's it. Literally. I just now invited over 150 people to like my page with boop, boop, just a couple of clicks. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to go back here. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh my page. Let's refresh to make sure that it catches up with what I just did. And we're going to see if it looks different. Okay, so we're still on the community. Okay, well, now we're on the home. Okay, so now we're going to scroll down. We remember how to do it. We scroll down to the community. We clicked on community. So I see total likes and total follows. Obviously, that's going to remain the same because we just did that. And it's not allowing me to like any more right now because obviously 151 is all they can do at once. So it's saying, Bonnie, you're going to have to wait a little bit because there's nothing else right here. But once that says invite people to like Bonnie L. Frank again, then I can go ahead and do the exact same thing where I can click the people who have not liked it yet, and I can click select all, and I can invite them, and I can do the double check and also have it sent through Messenger. How easy is that? How easy is that? For free, no ads, it's built into Facebook, voila. So when somebody says, hey, I think it's a good idea, like for example, if I tell you, I think it's a good idea to go ahead and ask your friends, your family, whoever you want, ask people to like your page. Let's get those page likes up so that more people have at least an opportunity to see what you're posting on your business page because Facebook wants you to use your page. Page equals business. Profile equals personal. And you can post the same thing on your page and your profile, and I could teach you how to do that. But the only way that you can do an ad or that you can boost a post, the only way that you can get captions for free, and all of these other bells and whistles that they have built into page is to have a page. So you can't get captions for free on your profile. You could go live on your profile, but the only way it's going to be auto captioned is by you going live on your page at the same time. If you go live on your page and share it to your profile, that's still the same thing, but it's going to be shared from your page. You're not actually going live on your profile at the same time unless you're using third-party software like Ecamm Live, or you're using StreamYard or something like that. Okay. And if you go to my tools list, if you go to bonnielfrank.com, my website, and at the top you click on tools, under live streaming, you will see a link for Ecamm. That's Mac only. Ecamm is Mac only. Ecamm is Mac only. I've said it 3 times, so don't forget. And StreamYard. And StreamYard can operate with PC or Mac. I've beta tested both. I've had both since the day they started. I'm using Ecamm right now. One of the things I like about Ecamm is that when you create banners, you can move banners all around while you're talking. And you can also resize the banner. This might give you a headache, sorry, while you're talking. So you can do all of that while you're talking. And I can, while I'm talking, pop up another thing. Let's say, let's say I'm talking about my social media marketing cafe, and I say, hey, here, this is how you can get the cafe. So I have a link prepared and I pop it up there. Let's say that I want to show you, I want to show you something with Instagram stats, and I'm showing you some Instagram stats. So I have that prepared and I pop that on the screen as well, and I decide I'm going to take this one away. So there, now you've got some Instagram stats for one of my clients over the past 7 days last month. So those are some of the things that you can do with Ecamm. Now you can do very, very similar things with StreamYard and some different things with StreamYard. So they're very similar, but they're a little bit different with nuances. You can also have, you can live stream to multiple places at the same time, and you can have multiple people come onto your live stream at the same time. So you know how on Instagram, if you go live, you can invite one person? Well, on Ecamm and on StreamYard, you can invite many people. So StreamYard up to 10 on the screen at any one time. So it's very exciting. Anyway, so lots and lots to do, and I can help you with Ecamm and with StreamYard. I'm a beta tester and affiliate with for both of those. So what did we talk about? We talked about how easy it is to increase your Facebook page likes. Get those likes up. The more people who like your page, the more people who have a possibility of seeing your page. And once Facebook sees, oh, more people are interested in this person's content, I'm going to let even more people see that content. So more begets more begets more. You always want more engagement, more likes, more comments, more shares, more saves. On Instagram, more or archives. Archives are included in that. So you want more engagement, period. And right now, I want you to start with Facebook likes. And that feature has been there for a while now, moves around sometimes, but that feature has been there for a while. So Facebook is saying, here, we're giving you this for free. Here, ask your people to like your page. So they're helping you with the algorithm. All right, so let me know if you have any comments or questions. Please put a comment or question down in the comments. Here's to Facebook likes.